Christmas shopping. Let's go Christmas shopping to Zanzibar. I didn't know that they open so late. Merry Christmas, everybody. I thought they were gonna have more stuff. You wanna get green lights?
White You're not me cute.
He's not cute.
I know you ain't doing that damn TikTok mess that everybody else is doing with the Christmas tree.
This is not TikTok.
This is not TikTok.
It's not TikTok. This is my aunt who I'm speaking to. Not just a random person who I don't know. I very much know her, and this is how we talk. So
you don't want him, Ashley? He's dope. Who unplugged you?
For $200.
And he's ugly.
And he's ugly.
That's how he's supposed to look. He's frosty.
The Christmas don't look like that.
Either I do a green Christmas tree or a red Christmas tree. I want something new. I want to spice it up.
This way.
Doing a TikTok. What is the TikTok that they're talking about? I have a lot of stuff planned for this video. As you can see, I'm already dressed. I am getting ready, and I thought I'll just talk to y'all and get it out the way before I go to tjmaxx, because we're gonna go get Christmas decoration. But let me just close this up. Let's not mind this. Isn't this cute? It's my makeup bag. As you can see, I don't have a vanity yet, so I have to do it in the bathroom. I planned on doing this video in the beginning of the month, but then I got sick again. Of course, y'all, I do it to myself. Bro, like, what is it? I don't know what it is. I told y'all in the last video, like 2 videos ago, that I got sick, and I'm sick again. The immune system is weak. You have to decorate the tree, and oh my gosh, I really don't be wanting to take medicine. When you get a cold, it be the lingering stage. When I'm at the last stage, it's the cough, and I hate the cough. Y'all, this is the worst part. I don't care what nobody say. You could give me a runny nose, you could give me a stuffy nose, you could give me a little sore throat. Even though the sore throat, that's the devil's two-step. But the cough is crazy. Like, my chest, no, y'all could have that. This is when I start taking medicine to suppress it, because I just really want to take natural stuff, oregano, vitamin C. When it comes to, give me the medicine. Give me the Robitussin. Like, I don't care. With a globe. I'm not gonna smell nothing because, as y'all know, I'm sick. I found mine. Yep.
Good afternoon, Max and Istas. This is the season to save.
Max and Istas.
20% off your first purchase today with our wonderful.
You know, this would be cute if someone gave this to me as a gift, but I'm not giving this to somebody as a gift who does not like Hello Kitty. Someone needs to come back here and give this to me.
Cashier number 4, please.
Lord have mercy. I only spent an hour and 30 minutes in there, which is very good. I got my stuff. I got me a globe. Y'all, I had to put on a sweater. I stepped outside and I'm just thinking it's just gonna be our regular day. Y'all, tell me why. I feel some wind and I feel a little bit it's not hot at all. It's not extremely cold. You know, Florida, we exaggerate. Anything below 70 is crazy. It's actually 71 right now. So I'm not like them though. I love cold weather. I really had no intentions of putting on this cardigan, but I had to, especially since I'm sick. I need to stay warm. They got me 2 blankets. I had no intentions on buying. They are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I got now. They're already setting up for Valentine's Day. Like, they put in all the Valentine's stuff out. This is so cute. What really got me is that it was $24, $24.99. The material is so good, like, bro. And I also got me one in pink. I gotta be a girly girl sometimes. Me only having one plushie for Christmas is crazy. We trying to save this Christmas, so one will do. It's like the pillows are just not doing what it gotta do. I don't know. It's cute still, cute and simple. I need to get this done in an hour. Actually, let me time myself. Right now, it is 3:52. I have an event to get ready to tonight. Timer is actually gonna start right now.
I'm still thinking about my times I was with you. You see me broke, now you looking at me lit up. Rockstar lifestyle, right now, give up. You know, next to that. 9 times out of 10, I call it it's up. What's the such moving like this up? Rockstar lifestyle, rockstar lifestyle, rockstar for real life. My pulse, it will be a lifetime. Take the road, resting up Ferrari, makes it time now. Take a spoon up, till it's motherfucking last night. I'm a real monster, I'm a kind one. I've been shining at this rub, I'm a tight one. You walk inside the club, ain't climbing. Y'all telling on each other, big climbing. Ain't no scrubs around me, we all climbing. Ain't no slugs in the back, I gotta find one. But it ain't up, I'm alright. Yellow stones in the bracelet like a sign. Yeah, the doors are the key to where I signed them. I don't know how to keep us, yeah, I find them. That's to me, yeah, because how the way she gets, I've been riding.
You know when you're in a rush and you cannot find anything? This is me right now, basically. I'm just doing the last minute touches to the styling. Yo, I gotta get up out of here, bro. Like, I'm gonna cut the bangs. That's good. That's cute. Do the same thing to that side. I will say this hair is very thick, so despite me over plucking it, I definitely think I did good enough that it looks okay. That was my mistake, but it came out good. It came out straight. This is how the wig looks on, like just slapped right on, straight out. The lace was also pretty decent as well to work with. Being that I'm a beginner, I feel like this is okay. And of course, being a beginner and trying to practice, the better the lace, the easier it is to put on the wig. So I definitely feel like this also helped me a lot. It's 5:43. I definitely did not finish in an hour. It's 5:44 right now, so I guess it took about, I don't even know, hour 45 minutes. Hour 45 minutes, not bad. Not bad, not bad.
It's beginning to look like Christmas. Soon the bells will start.
I don't know where the vegetable oil is. Beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Okay, so I'm looking on Pinterest right now, and the ingredients, got my cookie cutters. Directions: preheat oven to 350. Line 2 large baking tray sheets with parchment paper. Guys, so I have a bare tree right now. It's been like this for a good 3 weeks maybe. I don't know. At this stage in the game, it's too late to even go full out and decorate. I mean, I'm not even gonna really be here for the holidays. So what I'm gonna do, which I'm gonna always put these on my Christmas tree. Y'all, this is like our signature thing that me and my mom do for our tree. It's candy canes that we add. I ordered like 7 packs of these, so this is all I'm adding, and I'm not adding anything else. Keep it cute, keep it simple. I did start Polar Express already, but I was not paying attention, so I'm gonna restart it now. I'm feeling the Christmas spirit, guys. You guys, the reason why y'all not feeling the spirit is because you're not doing nothing. Go listen to some Christmas music. Go bake something. Do something. Like, these things I like to do already on my own because it just brings me peace and happiness. I'm like festive, I guess you would say. I don't know. You know, I like to move with life. You get me? You get me? That's a perfect sentence. If you guys stay in any cold state, let me know what state you're from and if it snows. I'm gonna let y'all know now. I envy y'all. Me and cold weather, we're like this. Not when I'm having a cold. Anyways, I'm gonna restart it. By the way, y'all like my socks? Are they not cute? Yeah. y'all, this is gonna be some fat cookies. I'm gonna have to figure out how we're gonna make it look pretty, you know, aesthetically pleasing. You know what? They're so crumbly. Chill. Ghetto. I have to be my own doctor today. So I got me my tea, even though I love tea. This one is for my throat. I have my vitamins that I'm gonna eat. And all of my baking activities be a fail, I swear to God. Whatever. Let's just try it. And it's super crumbly. Like, this is a big fail. It's alright. It's not my best. It's hot. Fuck.
Soße. Because you like it spinning fast. No, I don't. No, I don't.